Good day, everyone. We are here to discuss to you our topic about governance and political development with party system and electoral process. What is governance? Governance refers to the process, structures, and traditions that determine how power and responsibilities are exercised in policymaking and administration. It compasses decision-making practices that influence the behavior of governmental and non-governmental entities.
Importance of governance in development. Effective governance ensures transparency, accountability, and stakeholder participation, which are vital for sustainable development. Good governance acts as a catalyst for economic growth, social equity, and environmental sustainability. In the explanation, governance is important in development as it ensures transparency, accountability, and effective in decision-making processes. Good governance helps to create a stable political and economic environment that attracts investments and promotes inclusive growth. It also ensures that resources are allocated effectively and that the needs of all citizens are taken into consideration. Ultimately, governance plays a crucial role in fostering social cohesion and sustainable development.
Elements of good governance. Good governance is characterized by principles such as participation, rule of law, transparency, responsiveness, and equity. These elements create an environment that fosters inclusive decision making and enhances public trust. Good governance is essential for the effective functioning of societies and governments. It is characterized by several key principles that contribute to the well-being of citizens and the overall health of the political and administrative systems. Together, these principles of good governance create a framework that promotes inclusive decision-making and fosters public trust. When citizens believe their voices matter and that their needs are being addressed fairly and transparently, they are more likely to engage positively with their government and contribute to the democratic process.
Governance challenges refers to the difficulties organizations or governments face in making effective decisions, ensuring accountability, and implementing policies. This challenge can arise from issues like corruption, lack of transparency, conflicting interests, insufficient resource, or weak institution in both public and private sectors. Poor governance can lead to efficiency inequality and loss of public trust, making difficult to achieve sustainable development and address societal needs.
Political development. Political development is encompass the growth and evolution of political institutions and processes towards achieving effective governance and societal advancement. Political development is about how a country political system grows and becomes better over time. It's like improving the way a community is run so that it's fairer, more effective, and works for everyone. This involves creating stronger and better institutions like governments and laws that actually serve the people. The ultimate goal is to build a system where leaders take responsibility for their action. People, voices are heard, and society can move forward in a way that benefits everyone.
Understanding political development means to make sure that systems like laws, election, and government offices are organized and work properly. It focuses on making government more democratic by ensuring fairness, accountability, and transparency. Citizens have a bigger role in decision making, like voting and sharing their options. Governments became better at solving problems and responding to what people needs and want. In simple terms, understanding political development is about improving how a country is run to make life better for everyone.
Let's go on to the interconnection between governance and political development. This section highlights the interconnectedness between governance and political development. It states that effective governance foster robust political development, while strong political system reinforce good governance. This reciprocal relationship, according to the text, enhance public trust and promote social stability, which are crucial for social progress. And the reciprocal relationship, it is effective governance and strong political systems mutually reinforce each other. There are three benefits of interconnection between governance and political development. Number one, the public trust. Public trust, improved governance leads to increased trust in political institutions, or we call the public office is a public trust. To social stability. It means that strong political system contribute to a stable society. 3. Sustainable progress. It means both good governance and political development are essential for long-term progress.
Sustainable Development Goals. SDGs represent a universal call to action aimed at ending poverty, protecting the planet, and ensuring prosperity for all by 2030. The SDGs are designed to end poverty in all its forms, protect the planet, and ensure prosperity for all. They encompass 17 interconnected goals, each with specific targets to guide global efforts toward achieving these overarching objectives. Overview of SDGs. The Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, consist of 17 global goals set by United Nations in 2015, addressing social, economic, and environmental challenge. They aim to create a more equitable world through development that is sustainable and inclusive.
Number 11. Integrating SDGs policy making. Effective integration of SDGs into national and local policies ensure that development is aligned with the global target. This requires collaboration among government, civil society, and the private sector to create coherent and comprehensive strategies. These are integrating the Sustainable Development Goals into national and local policies is essential for aligning development with global targets. This process requires collaboration among government, civil society, and the private sector to create cohesive strategies. Effective integration involves engagement of stakeholders. Diverse actors must be involved to ensure comprehensive policy formulation. Cross-department collaboration. The interconnected nature of the SDGs promotes cooperation across various sectors, avoiding compartmentalization. System approaches utilizing frameworks that recognize interlinkage among SDGs and enhance policy coherence and effectiveness. This collaborative and systematic approach is crucial for achieving sustainable development outcomes.
Program and policies for SDGs realization, exploring the vital progress and policies that underpin the successful realization of Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs). For example, achieving the Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) means creating programs and policies that truly improve people's lives and protect the planet. This includes efforts like reducing poverty, ensuring quality education, promoting gender equality, expanding access and clean energy, and build a strong partnership. It's about making sure everyone has fair chance while taking care of our shared future.
Effective programs for sustainable development. Effective programs such as renewable energy initiatives and sustainable agriculture play crucial roles in SDG realization. These programs drive innovation, create jobs, and reduce environmental impacts, aligning with various SDGs. The statement explains that effective programs are essential for achieving sustainable development goals. Examples like renewable energy projects and sustainable farming practices are highlighted as impactful initiatives. These programs contribute to sustainability in multiple ways. So first one is driving innovation. So when we say driving innovation, they encourage the development of new technologies and solutions that address environmental and social challenges. Number two, creating jobs. They open up employment opportunities in green industries, boosting economic growth. Then last, reducing environmental impacts. By focusing on renewable and sustainable methods, these programs minimize harm to the planet. And that's it.
Monitoring and evaluation mechanism ensure accountability SDG implementation. This system provide data-driven insights about progress and are crucial for adjusting strategies to meet targets effectively. They ensure that resources are used optimally, that challenges are addressed proactively, and that the ultimate goal of a more sustainable and equitable world is within reach.
Slide from the presentation discussing the importance of stakeholder engage in policy implementation. It, it it highlights that involved community and NGO. It's from effective policy implementation because their participation folder owner and better with local needs contributing to the sustainable achievement from sustainable development goals SDGs.